Now, hey gang, Poppy here. This is Poppy After Midnight. It's it's October the 9th, 2019. Tomorrow, Thursday, I go have a surgical procedure on a vessel leading into my heart. They're not sure if they're going to keep me the night after. Gee, I was sort of hoping to get the beef tenderloin they serve at St. Helena Hospital Thursday night. You know, ride the shuttle home Friday. The reason I'm using the kerosene lamp is because pernicious graft and extortion, in their infinite stupidity, decided to turn off my electricity because they say something about high winds. I open the front door and it's dead still. Any of y'all in England, my friends there in England who are watching me, this is what I want to say to pernicious graft and extortion. There we are. You'd have to live in England to understand the difference between that and that. That's what you do with a taxi that just sleazes on by you and don't pick you up. Anyway, I was gonna be watching Emma's live stream in an hour and a half, but I doubt if pernicious graft and extortion is gonna get my electricity back on by then. So I'm gonna stop now, save the batteries on this thing. Good morning, good night.